designers and teachers. Are you looking for ways to increase your communication and decrease your frustration in the classroom? Did you know that using ASL in the classroom can help with that? In this video, I am going to teach you 25 signs to use in your classroom today. Also, watch till the end of this video to find out how you can win a free lifetime membership of our new program, Learn How to Sign Accelerated. So let's learn how to sign teacher signs. Okay, I realize that yes, I am an ASL teacher, but I see practical uses of using ASL in the classroom. While students are working quietly and independently, the teacher can use sign language to sign to students across the room to give them certain commands or answer simple questions. Using sign language can also give students a visual connection to something that the teacher is teaching within the class. Using sign language with special needs students is a great enrichment tool as well. I have noticed personally within my classroom when a student has a specific need, they can sign it to me and I can respond back immediately. This reduces distractions within the classroom while students are working independently. I know personally within my kids' school, they use the sign like water or bathroom to ask the teacher if they can go and get a drink of water or go to the bathroom. And then the teacher can just respond, yes. This is a great way for quick communication. We've even had teachers share that they use our YouTube videos within their classroom to do quiet learning time. The students will watch one of our videos and learn the signs, and then they use these signs throughout their school year to communicate with each other. What an amazing opportunity for these students to learn something new and have a brain break. Using sign language can also help give a student redirection in a quiet way that doesn't distract other students, and also doesn't draw attention to that student needing redirection. Now, let's learn some signs. Pay attention. Pay attention. Think of horse blinders narrowing the view of what they can see. Pay attention. Bathroom. Bathroom. It's the letter T for toilet, which can also mean toilet or restroom. Bathroom. Water. Water. It's the letter W right here at your lips. Water. Help. Help. The old sign used to be help, like somebody was helping somebody across the street, and then it changed into help. Go to. Go to. Your index fingers are going to the place that you're going to. And you can come and go as you please. Go to. Come or come here. It's the sign go, but putting it in towards yourself. Come or come here. Principal. Principal. Think of your non-dominant hand as a rock, and you do a twisted P on top because the principal is the rock of your school. Principal. Counselor or advisor. This is showing somebody giving counsel or advice with the sign meaning agent marker. Counselor or advisor. Nurse. Nurse. You're doing a flat N on your wrist to show a nurse checking the pulse. Nurse. Office. Office. You're making the shape of a room just with O hands. Office. Play. Play. Think of children running around and playing. Play. Book. Book. It's just like you're opening up the book. Book. To read. To read. This is the page that you're reading, and your dominant hand is the eyes reading down the pages. To read. Draw. Draw. Your pinky finger is like a pencil drawing on a piece of paper. Draw. Paper. Paper. Your dominant hand is pushing in towards your arm. Paper. Focus, as in to pay attention, or to focus in on something. This is to look at me versus this is to look at your work. Focus on me, focus on your work. Work, work. Your two fists are pounding right on top of each other. Work. Lunch or lunch. It's the sign noon and to eat or an L hand at your chin. Lunch, lunch. Yes, yes. Your hand is representing your head nodding. Yes. No, no. It's like the letter N and O put together. No. Please, please. It's a flat hand making a circle on your chest. Please. Clean, clean. Think of dusting something off. Clean. Quiet, quiet. Your hands are coming together like it's still and peaceful and quiet. Quiet. To sit, to sit. The sign chair is a double movement, and to sit is showing the actual action of sitting, which chair and to sit are noun-verb pairs. To sit. Finish or done. And also when you sign it, you go fish. Finish. Here are some practical sentences if students are working independently and are needing redirection. Let's take the sentence, you need to focus on your work. Work, focus. Come over here and I'll help you. Come here, help you. Yes, you can go to the bathroom. Yes, bathroom, go. I hope you found this video as a helpful first step in using ASL in your classroom. For all of you teachers out there, this is how you enter to win our lifetime membership of our new program, Learn How to Sign Accelerated. First, type down in the comments what you teach, then fill out the form by clicking the link in the description. This way, we can contact you if you're the winner. We will be drawing the name of the winner in 2 weeks. To learn more about our program, Learn How to Sign Accelerated, check out our video here. Also, if you're looking for something cute to wear in the classroom, I highly suggest this new shirt that we have. You can purchase it on our website, learnhowtosign.org. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.